Hello everybody, welcome to REYTech Media. My name is Joe and today I have a couple of alternatives to the Apple Pencil. So with all the recent iPads that have been coming out, such as the iPad Air and the normal iPad that comes at a very low price comparatively, it's the 8th generation, which is exactly the one that I have here. And maybe you just bought the iPad or you're thinking about buying a new iPad and you would also like to have the Apple Pencil. However, you are probably on a budget and you want to buy something cheaper. Now, there are alternatives that work really well, and I'm going to show you a couple of those right now. And it's worth mentioning. If you don't really need the features that the original Apple Pencil has, such as pressure sensitivity and tilt sensitivity, then you're really not missing out on anything at all. But if you do need those features, then I really do suggest that you buy the real Apple Pencil. Now, having that said, like I said, I have two alternatives here. One is by a company named Koi, okay, and the other one really doesn't have any branding except for professional stylus pen. So it's as simple as it gets. Now we're going to look at this one first. As you can see in the box, you get nothing more than just a user manual. You get an extra tip, just one. Let's see if I can. Okay, just the one, and it's actually a very small. Where can I put this? Okay, as you can see, it's a very tiny black tip for this stylus or Apple Pencil alternative, and you get a USB-C, a very short actually USB-C cable. Okay, I really like the fact that this does charge through USB-C. Everything is moving in that direction, so really appreciate it. Now, taking it out of the box, it does come with a little bit of energy, so I can use it right away. And this right here is the slot where, or the port actually, where you can plug in your USB-C cable. I like that it comes with a little cover here, though it's a little bit loose. I don't know if you can, no, you can't really tap it to loosen it, though it does feel pretty easy to remove. So I wouldn't be surprised if you buy this pencil and you lose this cover. So really not a big deal. It's nice to have. And this little hole that you see right here is actually an LED light that turns on when you turn on the pencil, and that's just how you turn it on. You basically just tap to turn on and to turn off. So very easy, very straightforward. I like it. If you want to use it, tap it to wake it up. You stop using it, it does turn off automatically. I really don't know how long it takes, but probably 5 minutes or so. But suppose you're done using it, you can just tap it and it's already turned off. Now, if the iPad is locked, then nothing will happen, as you can see. However, if you do have it turned on and the iPad is unlocked, then you can just go ahead and use it like so. You don't need to pair it, you don't need to do anything to the iPad. It's simply plug and play. Well, not plug and play because you don't have to plug it, just turn it on and use it. And a cool feature of this, even though it's not the original, even though it's not connected to it via Bluetooth or anything like that, you can actually write with palm rejection. See, so it works really well. I have my hand resting on the screen, and see, even my other hand, and it works just fine. I don't feel or I don't discern any latency. Shut up. And it works really well. I mean, zero lag that I can tell anyway. Maybe you have that kind of really sharp and sensitive eye. Maybe you do have that really sensitive eye that you can actually notice the lag, but I really don't. So if you really don't need for the actual Apple Pencil for the features, the pressure sensitivity and whatnot, you're going to go just fine with this one. Now I'm going to turn it off, put it in the box, and put this away so we can look at the second Apple Pencil alternative, which is the one made by Koi. And I'm gonna use the pencil for that. We're gonna check out the contents of the box. This one I like a little bit better because it's about the same price. In fact, I don't even remember if the other one was a little bit more expensive. Anyway, you get the user manual, you get this nice little sleeve that feels like leather. I'm pretty sure it's faux leather, but it's a very nice gift, so to speak. A very similarly short USB Type-C cable. You also charge it through USB-C. And this one, it also comes with 2 tips, extra tips, instead of just the one. And as you can see, this one is white instead of black. And it even has a cover for the tip. So as you can see, you do get a lot more value for your money with this Koi Apple Pencil. And just like the other one, it does turn on just by pressing or tapping this part of the pencil. See? Very responsive, very easy to work with. And again, it's just turned on and you can use it. So let's delete this, and $32.99 is actually the price of this one, the Koi. I'm afraid that when I was verifying the prices, I did not find the link working to the other alternatives, so I will link down below other similar alternatives. So the best bet is to go for the Koi. And as you can see, this one works just as well and does have palm rejection just like the other one did. I'm going to embrace the rooster and it works just fine. Seriously, how many times does a rooster have to sing at 2:15 in the morning? I promise someday I'm going to have a studio that's going to be soundproof. It's gonna be much better for you guys. I'm really sorry. So as I was saying, the palm reaction works really well, and also there is no discernible latency on this one. Now the scribble feature works also really well. Let's see, I use search and you can write down anything. Scribble is actually a super nice feature on the newest version of iPad OS, so I really like it. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I think I spent a lot more time waiting for the rooster to shut up than showing you the features of this pencil. Luckily, you know, the magic of video editing. Anyway, I highly recommend this one, the Koi. The other one works pretty much just as well. It's just that I kind of like this one, how it looks. It looks more like the original Apple Pencil, you know, especially regarding the tip. And you do get more value out of the 30-something dollars, $32.99 I think it was. So 2 extra tips, a cover, USB-C cable, the leather, faux leather sleeve type thing, and yeah. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like, and if you would like to see more of these hilarious videos where I'm interrupted by the rooster, please consider subscribing. Anyway, I'm all about the tech, and I'm all about making unboxings and reviews, and I really hope to see you in the next one. So until then, I hope God bless you. See you in the next one.